In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new email folder in Hotmail. Organizing your inbox with folders is a simple way to keep on top of important messages, separate work from personal emails, and make things easier to find later. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a brand new folder in the web version of Hotmail, which you now access through Outlook.com. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Sign into your account if you aren't already. After you log in, you'll land on your Outlook home dashboard. This is your main mail screen, where you can see your inbox in the middle, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a column with your email address at the top, followed by folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, Junk, and so on. We'll be working in that left-hand column. Next, look for your email address or account name in that left panel. Just to the right of it, you should see a small icon with 3 dots. These 3 dots usually indicate more options. Move your mouse over that area and click on the 3 dots to open a small menu. This menu gives you extra controls related to your folders. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Create New Folder. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you do, a new text field will appear in the list of folders on the left. This is where you'll choose the name for your folder. Now, type in the name you want to give your new folder. Try to choose something clear and specific so you'll remember what belongs there. For example, you might use names like work, receipts, family, or travel plans. You can always rename it later, but picking a good name now will help keep your inbox organized from the start. Once you've typed the folder name, look for a small tick or checkmark icon next to the text field. This icon is what confirms and saves your new folder. Click on the tick icon. After you click it, the text field will close and your new folder should appear in the list on the left with your other folders. At this point, your folder has been created and you can start moving emails into it by dragging and dropping them or using the move option inside your messages. That's all you need to do to create a new email folder in Hotmail using Outlook on the web.